So what's the plan? Same thing? Same thing, the first one or the second one?
The third one. Oh, you fucking lying.
No, I'm just asking, I'm being serious. Which plan? First one, second one?
Oh, wait. Let me get it up.
See? I told you.
I need to get up on my shoulder. And this damn muscle I tore in my arm don't help.
Like I said, which plan are we doing? The first one or the second one?
This is a brand new one.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone. Break your back.
No. Don't you dare. I wish they had put something in there. This would have built this good. Okay, I'm on this side, you're on this side.
Yeah, we know that 10 years ago.
3, 2, 1. Go! You're the guy.
Okay, same. Okay, hold on. Push it. Okay. Let me do the chords.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Watch your hand. Okay. Stop holding. What the hell? Why don't you want to come down? It's in the slats. Oh, not that one. Don't worry about holding yours. Give me a screwdriver. It's in the cabinet above.
Okay.
Nope.
No. No, look at this. You're all the way that side. You're not even in the middle. See that hole in the microwave?
The whole microwave over here. This
Yeah.
is way over here. It needs to
Yeah.
go this way.